All right, folks, I only had 4 sales yesterday. I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to also show you some footage of the neighborhood and the town that I live in. I'm one of the few people that still has power. I have real high power lines on metal frame poles, A-frame poles. So I haven't lost power, but I've got a lot of damage around me, trees and stuff. And I'll show you that, but I'm going to show you what I sold real quick. It wasn't a good day. I've already had 7 sales today so far, and it's 1:23 in the afternoon, but yesterday I only had 4, one of my slowest days in a long time. One of the first things I sold yesterday were these Dickies cargo work pants. I actually got these at the bins, $2 in, 13 out, plus shipping, and I made $9.66. The next I picked up at a yard sale for $1. It's the Norfolk Boy Scouts book, 1916. I had this as the 10% off sale. $16.20 is what I sold it for with $1 invested, and I made $12.38. This I bought at Ross in Hawaii last year. I've had it for a long time. I paid $40 for this, and I finally sold it for $58.90 on a best offer. So I didn't make much on it. Plus shipping, I made $11.08 off that. And I'm glad to see that gone. And then the last thing I saw was this: Mama tried to raise a lady, but Daddy won. He raised a lady who doesn't take crap from anyone. I'll paraphrase that. $9.99 with free shipping, and I paid $1 for that. $3.84 profit on the day. I had 4 sales, $43 in cost of goods, $98.09 in sales, and my profit yesterday was $36.96. Worst day I've had in a very long time. I hope you enjoy the footage. I'm not enjoying the footage that I'm going to show you, but it is what it is, and you just have to move on. I will talk to you tomorrow as I always do. Got a lot of work ahead of me. Have a great day, folks. I'm surprised this one didn't come down when I cut that last one down. If this one snaps, I'll have another blockage. I'll cut all this up. All right, finally getting out of the garage. I'll do a little videoing so you can kind of get an idea of what damage it did in the neighborhood. Tree limbs down everywhere. All over the place. This is a winter wonderland, but it's a nice winter wonderland. And today it's all rain, and tomorrow rain, but we're going to get into the high 30s and tomorrow the 40s. It's 34 right now. All right, post office run is down. Now I'm headed to the grocery store. Grand opening around the street from me. Get a few things and go back to the house and wait this thing out. The temperature is above freezing, so this stuff should start melting, but I'm worried what it's going to bring with it. As you can see, tree limbs down all over the place in the road. Supposed to rain today and tomorrow all day. 2 to 3 inches on top of all this.
Hey, it'll be quite a minute. I'm taking this speed. Trees are down in the neighborhood. There's a bunch.
It looks like the rain's kind of taking the ice off of it a little bit. Some of them.
Yeah. That don't mean they won't still fall.
But yeah, a really good tree to have in this situation would be a willow tree. These are already hanging down. One of those evergreens. Those are built for this.
Yeah, it's bad. This wilderness area is really going to take a pounding.
Like, look at that. All that's broken back there. Everything else split down the middle. That tree is.
Oh, wow.
Dang. Let's just leave it on the road. Wow, it's bad over here.
Yeah, this is what ice will do to you.
In fact, that previous statement about the rain taking the ice away. So some trees.
And it'll start melting today and tomorrow because it's over 32, but it's going to be slow. I just don't want more limbs to come down that I already got to pick up.
That's where the worst is, where they got all this overgrowth hanging over the street and stuff.
Alright, coming back into my neighborhood. My flagpole's bent too.
Yeah, I seen that.
This is my house.
It's crazy too. It's straight bent it like perfect arch.